The US coronavirus death toll has risen by 532 over the past 24 hours, the Johns Hopkins University tracker has said. After that relatively small increase, the US toll now stands at 98,218 according to the Baltimore-based university. The US cases of infection now number at 16,62,375. Both are the highest anywhere in the world. In the last 24 hours, India has recorded 6,535 cases, taking the total tally in the country to 1,45,380, of which 80,722 are active cases, 60,490 are cured, and 4,167 succumbed to the infection. For the second consecutive day, India tested less than 1 lakh samples when the capacity is more than 1,50,000. Authorities tested 92,000 samples in the 24 hours and over 31 lakh samples have been tested in total. As Delhi government has directed private hospitals and nursing homes to reserve 20% of their total bed strength for coronavirus patients, doctors have warned that mixing COVID-19 patients in hospitals treating people with other ailments might lead to further spread of the virus. Strongly objecting to this order, the private hospitals and doctors will be writing to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to review his decision. Dr. Girish Tyagi, who is the president of Delhi Medical Association, said that the bigger challenge would be for the small hospitals as they do not have enough space. Handling both COVID-19 and non-COVID patients at the same time would become difficult and risky to all. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and NCP Chief Sharad Pawar met on Monday evening amidst report of rift between the state's ruling alliance partners over the coronavirus crisis and the lockdown exit strategy for the state, which is worst hit by the pandemic in India. As the two leaders met at the Chief Minister's Mumbai home Matoshri, speculations intensified on a strain in their ties over Pawar's suggestion that Maharashtra should reopen gradually and emerge from the indefinite shutdown to revive economic activities. Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut confirmed the meeting and tweeted that there was no need to worry about the stability of the government. Indian and Chinese troops remained engaged in an eyeball-to-eyeball situation in several disputed areas along the line of actual control in Eastern Ladakh, signaling that the confrontation could become the biggest military face-off after the Doklam episode in 2017. Top military sources said that India has further increased its strength in Pangong and Galwan Valley, the two contentious areas where Chinese army is learned to have been deploying around 2,000 to 2,500 troops, besides gradually enhancing temporary infrastructure. The biggest concern for Indian military has been the presence of Chinese troops around several key points, including Indian Post KM 120 along the Darbuk-Shayok Daulat Beg Oldie Road in Galwan Valley. The World Health Organization said on Monday that it has temporarily suspended clinical trials of hydroxychloroquine as a potential treatment for COVID-19 being carried out across a range of countries as a precautionary measure. The decision came after publication last week of a study in The Lancet, which indicated that using the drug on COVID-19 patients could increase their chances of dying. Now, WHO chief said that the executive group of the so-called Solidarity trial, in which hundreds of hospitals across several countries have enrolled patients to test several possible treatments for the novel coronavirus, had, as a precaution, suspended trials using that drug.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.